So thank you guys so much for hopping on this video and joining me. If you're new here, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join the Michael Thing Club. So I'm really excited to show you this sick side hustle that you can do to make a lot of money as a kid. This is what I did about a year ago, and I made easily over $200, and I didn't even put that much effort into it, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I was pretty lazy. So if you guys don't know who Gary Vee is actually super big in this side hustle, and that's garage sale hunting. Pretty much he would go around into all these garage sales and find valuable items and resell them, pretty much flip these items online like OfferUp or eBay. And you can do that because you're buying the product so cheap at this garage sales, because people are just trying to get rid of their household items that they don't really want or don't need. So that's where you can swoop in and buy all these valuable products. You can sell them online for a fat spread. So my first experience garage sale hunting was actually pretty cool. I was actually just walking with my brother. We actually stumbled upon a garage sale and we wanted to go check it out. And there wasn't like a ton of stuff in this garage sale, but I remember looking around and like seeing like a couple of valuable items that were kind of like priced really high, and I wasn't gonna buy them personally. But then one did caught my eye, and it was actually a watch. And if you don't know me, I'm like obsessed with watches and I know a ton about them. So I'm wearing one right now actually. So I knew that this watch was valuable and I wanted to know how much he was gonna sell it for. And he was trying to sell it to me for $10. In my head, I was thinking like I could flip this for a lot more than what he was trying to sell for me already. And I was thinking in my head like, dang, that was a pretty good deal for this watch, because I know how much I could actually sell this watch for online. I talked him down to $5, so he ended up selling me the watch for $5. And I remember going home that day and actually posting that and selling it in that night actually, and I made a $50 revenue right there. And it was only a couple hours worth of work, if that, maybe an hour worth of work. So $50 an hour. So if you live where there's a lot of garage sales happening around you, I definitely recommend this side hustle, especially if you're like a kid my age, like 18, even 16 or younger, and you just want to go to all these garage sales. I recommend it because you can flip items online and make a fat spread. Let's say you do have a job. Even on the weekends when you're not working, you can still make a pretty fat spread. And if you did treat this like a full business, you can easily make 6 figures a year, no doubt. I pretty much proved to myself that it does work, and didn't really do much, honestly, in a couple hours worth of work. A little tip before you go and hop on the garage sales and start buying products that you think that you can resell online: carry your phone with you and look up the product and see how much it's selling for on eBay or OfferUp. See how much they're selling for already, so then you can get a good idea of how much you are actually gonna make. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Comment down below what you think of this type of content, and if you want to see more of it, let me know. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.